so fast. We never saw it coming, too high to come down. Maybe we were lucky, maybe we were just buzzing. Now you don't answer when I call you. You're probably happy and it's more than I could offer. I'm 6 drinks deep, telling stories through this bottle. So much to say and it's a problem. I think this whiskey's convinced me that you're still missing me. I don't think I'm thinking straight, I know it's late, but I just wanna talk to you. Even though these shots burn like the truth, I keep going back, just like going back to you. I don't know why I showed up and told you that I love you. Maybe it's the alcohol talking about the way it was supposed to be. I should've known when you said it was you, not me. Don't know if I'm right or wrong for telling you that I still want you, or maybe it's the alcohol talking. And now you got me all up in my feelings, and I can't help myself because you said that you would be there for me. I'm too deep, man, I hope that I am dreaming, and if so, well, what's the point? What's the meaning of it all? I think this whiskey's convinced me that you're still missing me. I don't think I'm thinking straight, I know it's late, but I just wanna talk to you.